Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today is my wrench collection part 2. Got my camper here, so I had my larger wrenches in this one. So sit back, relax, and check out these wrenches. Here we have a cleaned up PNC 10-inch Stilson. This is missing obviously some parts, but this is a Fleet Peen's core. And then we have this Walworth 10-inch. To go along with the other PNC that I have, I've got this 18-inch PNC pipe wrench. And then I have this combination with the wood handle. I'm not sure even how to even pronounce that. Not sure what brand it is, but I've got a patent date right here. I don't know if you can make that out very well. December 3rd, 1873. So I'm not sure what this is. So I'm not seeing any dates or anything on this, or any markings. And then we'll get into my Tremos. We've got these two 24-inch Tremos. Tremont. And then this Walworth 24-inch with the dent in the Stilson pattern. Next set coming up is this 18-inch. Teeth aren't bad, but it's a Dunlop. I don't know if you can see that very well. Drop forged steel. And that is Germany. So that's pretty cool. This interesting wrench is a Larco with a W. I don't know what that means. Larco 18-inch. Then we have this 18-inch guaranteed from the Erie Toolworks, Erie, PA. Stilson style wrench. Here is a Tremo. I believe this is a 14-inch Tremo for the Tremo collection. With some markings. Here we have our electrolyte from Defiance, Ohio, 18-inch pipe wrench. Teeth are good. This is a 14-inch, made in USA. No other markings. So this is just a generic pipe wrench. Another 14-inch Super Ego. Drop forged. Forged Spain. Another Tremo, 18-inch Tremo for the collection. You've seen these on Scout Crafter's channel, and I think I probably posted this on my channel at one time, or on my Instagram. But this is the Walworth Parmalee. These are number 3. So I'll share a link to the Scout Crafter one, and we can get some more information on these. But here is it's just a generic pipe wrench, 14-inch. I kind of painted it kind of a weird, funky yellow, but this pretty much stays in the camper for camping if I got to do anything like put a ball on a hitch or something. So I've got it. And then finally, we've got this Crescent and this Task Force. These are my camper wrenches as well, that I keep in the camper just in case I need to do anything, like put propane bottles together or whatnot. So I'm sure I've still got more pipe wrenches and more Crescent wrenches I haven't showed you floating around. Well, folks, hopefully you like my collection number 2. There'll probably be a number 3 coming, but not very soon. That'll be down the line. I know I have other wrenches in the storage, in the truck, in tool bags, and this wrench collection was just covering my adjustable wrenches, Crescent type wrenches, monkey wrenches, pipe wrenches, combination pipe monkey wrenches. But number 3 will come probably when I get my shop built, which probably won't be for a while. We're still in the planning phase of where to put it and how to build it and what we want to do. Whether we want to build a pre-made shed and insulate it for heat and cooling, or if we want to build it ourselves, buy one pre-made. We're talking about wood. We're debating whether second story or just one story. That's based on my father-in-law. We're looking for a man cave to hide away from the women's. So, that'll come down the pike soon. So, until next time, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Wait for more videos that I have. I'm going to try to keep up on my videos while I'm looking for permanent work. And I'll keep you posted on that one. And as always, stay safe and check you later.